Hi, welcome to Tech Raju. Today we will learn how to download JDK 17 and install it on Windows 11. So just follow the below step. First, download the JDK 17 for Windows, and then after that you need to install on Windows. Then system environment variable need to set up. Then we will verify with below example. So let's start. This is the URL. To download JDK software, visit the official website. This is the Oracle website. You will go in down there. You need to find out window into 74 installer. This is the exe file. Once you will click, it will download it. So I have already downloaded, so I am not going to download. So just click on this download, then right click, open, then run. Then when pop-up will come, just click on next. This is the default path. If you want, then you can change also. Just click on next. It will take few minutes. Now it is done. It is showing here successfully installed. Then we will close this pop-up. Now next step is set up the system environment variable. So just here you search edit the system environment variable. So system properties there, here environment variable. Once you will click on environment variable, so here you need to add one new variable. So variable name always capital java underscore home, and variable value. So you need to find out where you have installed JDK. So C drive program file java folder JDK 17. So just copy this path. Okay. Then after that you need to also add java path in down system variable. So here path is there, click on path and do that edit. So you need to add one new percentage java, sorry, capital java underscore home percentage slash bin. Sorry, bin will always is small. Okay, then I will click OK. Then again OK. So system variable is completed. Now last step, we will run this sample. So just we will copy, we will new tab and we will save. So I have one folder program. So this program I will save as a test.java. So it is already saved test.java. Then I will open here cmd. Once you will type cmd and then you will enter, this pop-up will come. Here you need to run two commands. So first you need to compile javac with file name test.java. Then you will do enter. So successfully it is compiled. If you go to in program, so if you see test.class file, then after that finally we will run java hello world. Thanks for watching video.